with a brightly colored dragon flying through the night sky of my imagination, I headed with a friend to the University of Connecticut's Ballard Institute for some puppetry, inspiration, and instruction. In this video, I make a dragon rod puppet. Stay tuned for my next video, where I plan to bring him to life in a play of some sort, yet to be determined. At UConn, a guide showed us their collection of puppets from throughout history and around the world. They have quite a collection full of inspiration: shadow puppets, rod puppets, marionettes, animal puppets, puppets on boats, puppets in boxes, puppets up in the air. After our tour, we participated in a rod puppet making workshop. Using these sketches as a start, I made this dragon's head out of newspaper, masking tape, and pipe cleaners.
1, 2, 3.
Later at home, I added paper mache using paper towels and some watered down Mod Podge. I cut some teeth shapes out of cardboard. I sort of attached them using paper mache, but added wood glue into all the gaps to really hold them in place. I gave my dragon head a coat of white primer. And then painted it black, leaving the white of the primer for the teeth. I had planned to grungy up the teeth, but I ended up liking their bright white crispness. I painted some red acrylic on the head. I ended up really liking the bumpiness of the paper towels for the texture that they gave, and I dry brushed to kind of keep that texture in some places. I gave some yellow accents to the head and added yellow beads for the eyes. With the head done, the next step was to make the wings. I had sort of a Joseph and the Technicolor Dreamcoat vibe that I wanted to go for, and I cut up some fabric sample squares into triangles and coated them in Mod Podge to give them some strength and to try to avoid fraying down the line. My friend let me use her sewing machine to attach the dragon's scales to the body, but
I don't know what I'm doing.
I was afraid of damaging the sewing machine, so my friend took over the sewing duties and I quickly switched over to the also important role of pinning the triangles onto the cloth. Thank you, Tracy. Back at home, I used tacky glue to attach the rest of my triangles, and it worked out okay. I wanted my dragon wings to look more, well, wing-like, so I steeled my nerves to cut into them, not knowing if I was ruining everything. I folded them over and glued them into place. And then I cut into the back side too to separate the back of the wings and form a sort of tail. I cut out a large square of black fabric to attach my wings to, and that would represent the rest of the dragon's body and kind of give the puppeteer a place to hide a little bit. And then my glorious little friend was done. Please tune in to my next video to see this guy in action. I love how he came out. Let me know what you think, maybe what his name should be, and thanks so much for watching. Take care.
Always scheming. Often sketching, always scheming. Sketchbook scheming, yeah, yeah. Sketchbook scheming, yeah, yeah.